To make a registration API, we will use Django rest-auth, dj-rest-auth, and to use this rest-auth, we need REST framework. So we need to install the REST framework. To installation of REST, this is the installation of REST framework. Django REST will copy these commands, install Django REST framework, and paste the on in our new terminal. Here we can open the new terminal and paste the command pip install Django REST framework, and we will also use this pip install markdown, and we'll also install pip install Django filter, and then we can use this and pip install Django rest-auth. We do if we install only Django rest or dj-rest-auth, we can only install the authentication of email, and we also need a social authentication. To include our social authentication, we can run pip install Django rest-auth with social. We'll I will pip install Django rest-auth with social, and it is included written in inverted comma, single inverted comma, and I will pass this command to you in this and then that's all. And we need to install the app Django contrib site, django.contrib.sites in our app. In the settings panel, installed app, we will install. Here I will say new, and this new thing is Django contrib site, and third party app is will include third party app Django REST framework in the installed app, and we will also include here Django REST according to this instruction. We will also include Django REST framework or .auth token, and then we also need to include dj-rest-auth, and we need also allauth, and for social registration I will say it allauth, and then we also need site ID is equal to 1, and yeah, then that is it. Now we can move to the URL, and inside this URL we can pass here this two line, only this two line, and I will remove this two line and make this empty, and this for registration. And if I go to the URL, go to move here, oh, see, I need to make migration and migrate everything. So I need to say here python manage.py migrate, or And if I run server again, yeah, and I will move here, and it says, yeah, you can move the login, logout, but there by or registration. I'll move to the registration. If I move registration here, I can found, and this is the registration here, the registration API. We can post here username, email, and password. So I will make the username, I think select one. Email is hog to rider 474 dot com, and we will pass password. We are developer, and that is the password. And I will save the password here. It is showing us an error because registration error. Connection refused. The connection refuses. It has no email, so we need to include add our email here in the backend. To add email, here to add email, we can simply pass here. We need to give it three values: email host and smtp.google.com. It means it is for Google, and we need email use TLS and email port and your email and your password here as backend email, which will message the email others email, and we need this email as less secure. So we can add the email by one thing. Suppose I need to pass here my email is hog3rider474@gmail.com bar, and I need to password for the email, and this is the email and password. But I need to secure RM, and yeah, if I pass the email and password, as I pass the email and password, I need to less secure the email. How to less secure my email account? And from here you need to less secure your email so that it can get connection from here. Please make sure you enable less secure app to access Gmail account. Okay, and do it yourself, and I will not go there. And here I will install a package here, pip install python decouple to secure my Gmail and password. And I have installed the python decouple, and then I will create a file .env, and after creating .env, I will pass my email and password where, yes, my email and password here in .env file. Okay, and then I will also pass the my secure key in here to secure and I will also pass my database name uh, database name as database name is equal to here. Yeah, then what I need to do, I will import from decouple from dcoupl decouple import config, and after importing this config I will pass. Okay, sorry, I need to import this in my settings. I will import here, and I will pass this secret key as config slash the secret key, because the value of the secret key is this, and it the, the decouple will import the .env here, uh, and do the less work for us, and so that we can secure our Python application. And the same is for here for database. I will pass here and import the database name, and that's it. And for email and password, to secure my email and password from hacker, I can pass it here and paste my email and password here. Hosted email, this is the email, and this is the password. And now I will write my real password of the email. Yeah, that is great. Now if I cancel and if I run the python manage.py run server again, yeah, it is working now. And if I register again, and yeah, it is registered, and it is saying that it is already exist, because and I register with the Hawk to rider, and I will visit my email. If there is any of nothing here, I will delete the old user. I will refresh and see here if the users, and I will delete the old user and check the email. Okay, where this is the page and the user is deleted. And now if I post here registration again, and here it is saying username and password not accepted, because why? Username, my email username and password is not accepted. Okay, bad credential. Okay, there is no problem. I just changed the name, username, and it is working now. And yeah, uh what is failed. Okay, I check is user created or not. No user created, because why? If I move here, okay. Oh, I need to log out from here, log out, and then I need to pass here. And if I register now, okay, it is working now. It is giving me the key, and what I will just save the key. I don't know where it needed, and then I will move here and check the confirmation message. If I Here is the confirmation message. If I go to the confirmation message, it is giving me error. To get rid of this error, we will here come in the urls.py, and we will add one thing, PHS path, and here we will add thing, and we'll add, okay, before that give here comma and include, but this inside this include we will add allauth.urls, allauth.urls, and here account slash, and I need one thing I need to do again, move here and login again, admin login. I will log in again and delete the user again, and delete the user again, and register again, and log out, register again, continue. Here register with another name, and already exist with this email. Okay, are you sure? Why delete the user? Okay, now let's go. Here registration is completing. Here is the registration, and then if I move to my Gmail and if I refresh, I will get a new email here. Here is the new email. If I move here is the confirmation message, confirm email address. This is your email address. Confirm or sign in or sign up. Yeah, sign in or sign up. Okay, that is great. And if I confirm this, take us account slash login. But where is the account slash login? So we can say here it is taking us account slash login. So we can do here we can pass here accounts, or create a new app, python manage.py, create account, python manage.py, start app, into accounts. Okay, sorry, cd dot I need to move root directory and start up account, and here's the accounts app, and under accounts app we'll create a folder urls .py. Here we will copy urls pattern everything, but just delete the rest of the things. Okay, I think, yeah, slash accounts. And what, in the settings I need to include the need to include this app in our settings, the installed app. This is local app accounts, and here is the accounts. I need to export the url there. Accounts is not accounts.url, and here with no name the url will. And if we see if they're running or not, yes, and if we refresh we will get the login page here, and we can pass the email and password. The password is from, this is the password or not, this is the password. And if I log in, it will take us login and giving us key. Check. Alhamdulillah. Next we will add this authentication to our Flutter project. This authentication APIs to our Flutter project, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.